Hi traders, welcome to Elite Currency. My name is Chris, and again an update on the euro dollar and pound dollar. But before we do that, wanted to let you know about our free indicators that you can find on our website. Recently added, you will find special moving averages, Wiz, Camarilla, free versions, a system, and a lot more indicators as you can see. So go to this link and download them right now. All right, so the euro dollar made a bigger ABC correction as we expected during the weekend, where price would go to the 21 EMA zone and the 38.2 fib. Let's put that right there. And that's exactly where price went to at around 112.60ish. And we had a bearish bounce as expected as well in that zone. So all of that happened. And now we're waiting for a decision on the euro dollar. Is it going to break through the support, continue with the downtrend like that, and or continue with this momentum at least, and indeed complete that ABC correction that we were talking about last time? That in that case we'll be aiming for the 112.10 zone, which are fibs from this fib right here, 78 and the 88.6 fib. Very important support zone where I will be looking for bullish candlestick patterns to confirm a potential bullish reversal. All right, so that will be the main target if this breakout occurs. That would be the main target for the potential red wave C. If price shows a lot of bearish momentum here, with very strong price action, then I would not be looking for the bullish bounce in this 112 zone. I would be cautious because in that case, there could be a bigger downtrend starting. And if today's daily candle or tomorrow does close bearish like this at or near 112, or I mean, preferably below 112, preferably below 111.80, then that would indicate the bearish breakout. The next day, I'll look for a bear flag and a continuation. If this is indeed, if we do get such a candle, in the near term. Otherwise, more likely is to see a dip and bounce in my view, which is why I'll be looking for 4-hour candlestick patterns in this zone on the 4-hour chart. If we get a daily candle, of course, like this, downside, but then closes up in here with the big wick, that would confirm the bounce as well on the daily candle. All right, otherwise, if price does not break through this support trend line, there is also a chance that price might make a higher high here and test the 50 fib at around 112.75. That's another scenario that could be possible if we don't get the break. And that could still be a bouncing spot for downside, just like the 61.8 fib, by the way, at 112.85. If, however, this does show a lot of momentum to the upside, which I don't think is likely, but just in case, if you see a lot of momentum pushing through the 61.8 fib, then the bearish outlook is out of the window, is off the table. And if you get a bull flag, now we'll be looking for a break of that bull flag and we'll be trading that to the upside. All right, pound dollar is really doing not much. Had bank holidays, I think Friday and Monday. So it is making a sideways wedge here, kind of a falling wedge, which would indicate a bullish reversal potential. It is also close to the bottom of that entire zone and at the bottom of this bigger descending wedge as well. So that could still be used as support and therefore a bouncing spot back to the weekly pivot point, for instance. And if it breaks above that and the trend line, then there could be more upside potential, but only if it breaks. For the moment, there could be a bigger, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart again. A break of this wedge, if price maybe breaks above 130 perhaps, that could be a good level, a good psychological level. If it breaks below 129.50 and closes below 129.50 on the daily chart like this, and we have a daily candle that is at least 75 pips from high to low, that would be a decent breakout candle. I mean, the bigger the candle from high to low, the stronger the breakout, and also the closer the close is to the low, that will also impact the strength of that breakout. So if you get a good breakout candle, here to look for a bear flag on the 1-hour chart the next day and look for continuation. That's my plan at least. So that would be the bearish breakout scenario. Otherwise, pretty good chance that there could still be a bounce back to the weekly pivot point, and that could be a new break or bounce spot. All right, so that's the pound dollar. And that's about it as well. Quick video today. We didn't see much movement on Monday. We'll have a new video on Thursday, of course. In the meantime, wish you good trading and feel free to download those indicators from our website. See you soon. Cheers.